welcome to my channel, and I'm bringing you guys my Walmart Ibotta haul. This month is like a joke with Ibotta. I mean, I want to say Ibotta is my favorite all-time app of them all, because they sent me an email the other day that I hit it to the $2,500 thing. So as you guys can see right here, I have made $2,500 off Ibotta alone, so I think that is super awesome. But I'm here to show you guys my Walmart Ibotta haul. There's just not a lot of good deals, and I was kind of waiting for my coupons to get in the mail, but I didn't get them in time by the time I was going, and I'm like, I'm not waiting all day for my coupons, so I did the best I could, and I'm here to show you guys what I got. So I ended up getting these hefty bags. Can't go wrong with these. These were $1.98. I used $1 off a 2 coupon that we got from a couple weeks ago. You guys would just end up paying $2.96 for these, but then you can submit $1.50 off a 2 deal on Ibotta, making the final price for these just $1.46, which is under 75 cents a pack for the bags, which you get about 20 of them in here. So I think that's a great deal with that. I ended up getting the Newman's ranch dressing. I really like this stuff. This was $2.98. I used that $1 off coupon that we got from a couple weeks ago. I paid $1.98 for this, but then you can submit $1 rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for this just 98 cents. So can't go wrong with 98 cents ranch dressing. I got this Cantandia or whatever, tomatoes. These were $1.54. I used a 50-cent off coupon that I printed off coupons.com. You would pay $1.04 for this, but then you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for this just 54 cents, which for a full can, that is a great deal. Now I got some more good deals for you. So here I got the Clean and Clear Night Relaxing Jelly Eye Mask, okay? So I got this. This was $2.50 at my store. We have those $2 off coupons that just popped up on coupons.com. And my coupons scanned, all my coupons scanned, no problem. They just changed their policy where if it doesn't scan, they can't take it. So I was like nervous that some of these coupons would not work and I'm gonna be like, take it back, but nothing like that happened. I had all great things happen. So use that $2 off coupon. This ends up just being 50 cents. I thought this is an idea if you guys really like eye masks or face masks. I just used one for the very first time a couple nights ago and I actually really enjoy it. So I plan on using a lot more of the night masks. I had those $1 off coupons from Wet n Wild, so I ended up getting more mascara. These are things that I donate to people like crazy. So I ended up getting these. These were 93 cents. I used that $1 off coupon. Coupon took off. Walmart does overage, so you guys ended up making 7 cents per mascara on each one of a Moneymaker. My store had a little bit more, or had one more of this white eyeshadow. Now this was on clearance for 25 cents. I did use that 50-cent off coupon that we got from a couple weeks ago, but the coupon automatically took $1 off. So this ends up becoming a 75-cent Moneymaker. So if you guys have that, a lot of you guys were saying that that coupon's changing to $1 instead of 50 cents. So if you guys plan on getting, I'm going to probably cut all those coupons up because if those are ringing up $1, I can get a lot of stuff for free with that 50-cent off coupon. I I had more whiteout coupons, or had more Bic coupons. The pens aren't cheap enough for me, but these were 97 cents at Walmart. I used that $1 off coupon, making these a 3-cent moneymaker. So everything was just awesome. And now here is the best deal that I got while I was at Walmart. So you got these toothbrushes. Now I scanned these at the store to make sure they qualify. These toothbrushes are 94 cents, which is an awesome deal, right? 94 cents for toothbrushes. Okay, but if you guys scan it, now everybody's Ibotta is different. My Ibotta, you get $1.40 back. Some of you guys might have more, some of you guys might have less. It depends. So what you guys want to do is you guys can buy one if you want, or you can buy 5. The deal is up to 5. So you guys want to buy one. You guys would pay 94 cents for one of them, but then you can submit $1.40 on Ibotta, making this a 46-cent rebate, or 46-cent moneymaker. So I had to get the limit because who does not love free toothbrushes? And if this resets again, I'm probably going back to get more, and if it resets again, I'm probably going to go back to get more, because I cannot pass up free toothbrushes. These are great things to donate, and they never go bad if you have them in a nice dry area. So I got these absolutely free, and I made money off of those. So I only needed 4 more rebates to finish level 3. I know this is really a sad month for Ibotta. I mean, I feel like Walmart or Walgreens and CVS have stepped it up a little bit, but Walmart's kind of gone down a little bit on Ibotta deals, but that's okay. I am hoping February is a better deal for everybody. But I only needed 4 more rebates to get to finish level 3. So before coupons, it came to $21.59 for everything. After coupons, it came to $10.09. I ended up getting $10 back with Ibotta. Plus, since I only needed 4 more rebates, I ended up getting a $2 bonus. So this whole entire transaction ended up becoming a $1.91 moneymaker. So I got 17 items for free. I'm super excited. I'm excited to try, you know, a face mask, and I'm super excited to get these toothbrushes because I can like give these away like crazy. So yes, if you guys enjoyed this very small Walmart Ibotta haul, please let me know by hitting that red subscribe button, giving this video a thumbs up so I know you guys enjoy it. I'm really hoping we can finish level 4 with a bang. You know, I'll find out what I have to, how many I have to do when my Ibotta gives me my money. Sometimes it's super fast and sometimes it takes forever, so we'll see how it goes, but I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.